everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about chapter number 7, Cash Book.
Now, today we will discuss about example number 13. From the following transaction, prepare 3-column cash book of 3 Mahendra Bhai Bhatt. It means in this example we prepare 3-column cash book. Do you know very well which are 3 columns come in the cash book? Is it? Yes. So here first one column is discount, second one column is cash, and third one column is bank. Okay, and these 3 columns comes at both sides. It means cash book के both sides पे ये 3 columns आएंगे. It means कि at the receipt side also these 3 columns comes, and payment side, receipt side it means debit side, and payment side it means credit side. These 3 columns come altogether. Okay. Now let's start this example. There is a first transaction 2016 January 1st. Opening cash balance rupees 3,500 and opening bank overdraft rupees 6,000. Here cash is debit balance because of we know that cash always has debit balance, but bank debit or credit both balance has. Okay. So here bank overdraft it is our credit balance. Okay. So we recorded in this cash book first cash balance. There is write down on debit side. It means कि receipt side से हम write करेंगे. There is write down in date column 2016 January 1st to, and in receipt column से write करेंगे to balance BF. BF means brought forward. हम आगे से यहाँ पे लाए हैं. और कैश की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे 3,500 rupees. It is indicated this transaction in a blue color. Okay. Then bank overdraft. Bank overdraft it means it is our bank balance but credit balance. Okay. So it is recorded this cash book in this cash book at credit side. Okay. There is write down in date column 2016 January 1st. Then in particular यानी कि in payment column में हम राइट करेंगे by balance BF और बैंक की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे 6,000 rupees. The next transaction is January 2nd. यानी कि 2nd January का ट्रांजेक्शन है. Goods of rupees 2,000 sold to Parag in cash at 10% cash discount. So first we count how many cash discounts, okay, and how many our actual यानी कि हमारी जो नेट प्राइस कितनी है वो हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके. तो ये मैंने पिंक पोर्शन में राइट किया हुआ है कि गुड्स 2,000 रुपीज का माइनस डिस्काउंट यानी कि कैश डिस्काउंट 10%. तो 2,000 के 10% आते हैं 200 रुपीज. तो आवर नेट सेलिंग प्राइस है 1,800 रुपीज. ओके. हियर सेल्स किया है तो सो कैश कम्स यानी कि वो शिफ्ट हुई. तो दिस ट्रांजेक्शन इज रिकॉर्डेड ऑन यानी कि एट डेबिट साइड यानी कि रिसिप्ट साइड से हम राइट करेंगे. ओके. देयर इज राइट डाउन डेट में सेकेंड डेट यानी कि डेट कॉलम में हम सेकेंड राइट करेंगे 2. देन इन पर्टिकुलर यानी कि रिसिप्ट की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे टू सेल्स अकाउंट और डिस्काउंट की कॉलम में 200 रुपीज और कैश की कॉलम में 1,800 रुपीज. Then next transaction is January 4th. Goods of rupees 4,000 purchased from Deepak at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount, and the amount is paid by check. It means ये transactions purchase का है, so we recorded at the credit side first. But let's start first. We see calculation. What is the net price? Okay. So first we write down goods of rupees 4,000 minus 10% trade discount 400 rupees. And how to find out 400? So there is a counting 4,000 multiplied by 10%. So your answer comes, the discount is 400 rupees. Okay. Then this 400 cut from 4,000. So our remaining figure is 3,600 rupees. Then we count our cash discount, and here our cash discount is 5%. So 3,600 multiplied by 5%. So our answer comes यानी कि our cash discount is 180 rupees. Then our Then the last difference comes, there is our net price. Okay, यानी कि 3,600 minus 180 rupees. So our answer comes there 3,420 rupees, and it is our net price, and this price is recorded in our cash book. Okay, at debit side there is write down in pink, light dark pink color. There is write down in date column 4, because of this is the 4 date transaction. Then particular column में write करेंगे by purchase account. In discount column write down there only cash discount 180 rupees. Then in bank column, because of we paid by check, so write down the net price of 3,420 rupees. It is recorded on in bank column. Okay. The next transaction is January 6. Goods of rupees 7,000 sold to Ami. Ami paid 40% amount by cash, and the remaining amount is paid by check. Check is deposited in the bank. It means a transaction sales का transaction है, so this transaction recorded at the debit side of cash book. बट हम रिकॉर्ड करें उससे पहले उसकी काउंटिंग कर ले, तो काउंटिंग में है सेल्स, यहाँ पे 40% कैश है और बाकी का चेक है, तो उसकी काउंटिंग हम करेंगे। तो सेल्स है 7,000 रुपीज का, तो कैश कितनी होगी, तो 7,000 रुपीज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 40%, and our answer is 2,800 rupees. It is our cash. Then remaining figure is our check. So check is how many rupees? So here 7,000 multiplied by 60%, so its answer is come 4,200 rupees, and it is our check. And this check we deposited in the bank. So this transaction recorded at the debit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 6, and in particular column write down there to sales account, and in कैश की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे 2,800 रुपीज और बैंक की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे 4,200 रुपीज. The next transaction is January 8. Check of rupees 6,000 is received, which is issued by Gaurang towards the payment of his old debt of rupees 6,050 rupees, which is deposited in the bank. It means हम गौरांग के पास से हमें चेक मिला है 6,000 रुपीज, बट हमें लेने थे 6,050 रुपीज. तो यहाँ पे 50 रुपीज कम है, सो दिस इज अवर अलाउंस, यानी कि वो डिस्काउंट है. एंड check receipt, it means it is our income, so we recorded this transaction at the debit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 8. in particular यानी receipt column में write करेंगे to गौरांग account, because of गौरांग के पास से भी मिला है. Then in discount column write down there 50 rupees, and in bank column write down there 6,000 rupees. The next transaction is January 12. By salary of rupees 2,000 paid by me and rupees 5 paid for NIP charges. यानी कि हमने सैलरी पे की है बाय निप से, यानी कि बैंक से हमने पे की है. तो दिस सैलरी इज अवर expense. So this transaction we recorded at the credit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 12, and in payment column में write करेंगे by NIP by salary account. There is write down in bank column 2,000 rupees, and again we write down there is a date में 12 write करेंगे, because of यहाँ पे NIP charge लिया हुआ है, so by NIP charge account, and in bank column में write down there 5 rupees. Okay. Now the next transaction is January 15. Rupees 1,500 paid for stationery by check. It means it is stationery expense. So we know that expense always recorded on payment side. It means we write down these transactions recorded at the credit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 15, and here expense name is stationery expense, so we write down in particular columns. There is write down by stationery expense account, and amounts write down in bank column 1,500 rupees. Now the next transaction is January 17. For rupees 4,100 deposited in the bank. Deposited in the bank, it means cash balance decrease or bank balance increase. Okay, so this transaction is a contrast transaction. So this transaction recorded at the both sides, debit side and credit side. First we recorded here credit side. There is write down in date column 17. Here cash goes out. So its opposite name bank. So we write down there by bank account. And in left column write down there C. C means contract. And write down amount in cash column 4,100 rupees. Then second effect given there in or at debit side. In date column there is write down 17 and in particular columns write down there to cash account. In LF column write down C and here in a bank column write down there 4,100 rupees. The next transaction is January 20. As more funds are required in the business, personal vehicle of rupees 10,000 sold for rupees 8,000 and 7,000 rupees is brought in the business. It means we need the more fund for the business. So here businessman is sold their own vehicle in 8,000 rupees, but 7,000 rupees brought in the business. So we recorded only 7,000 rupees. Okay. Here cash comes in our business. So we recorded this transaction at the debit side of cash book and there is write down in date column 20. In receipts column write down there to capital account. Here we not recorded cash or any other names or any vehicle names because of here cash comes, but cash comes form of capital. So we write down here to capital account and in cash columns write down there 7,000 rupees. The next transaction is January 23rd. Rupees 6,000 withdraw from the bank for the payment of school fees of his daughter. It means यहाँ पे बैंक में से withdraw किया है daughter की फी भरने के लिए. Okay. So it is our expense and it is our drawing. Okay. Because of our business rupees is used for personal. Okay, so we recorded this transaction at the credit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 23rd and in payment column write down there by drawing the account. Here not be recorded fees या any other name because of here personal use के लिए उसने पैसे लिए हैं. So it is our drawing. So we write down there by drawing the account and amount write करेंगे बैंक के column में 6,000 rupees. The next transaction is January 25, rupees 500 paid for the top rent. Top rent is here. Top rent is our expense. So this transaction we recorded at the credit side because of expense होते हैं तो हमारे business का जो cash है वो goes out हो जाता है. So we recorded this transaction at the credit side of cash book. There is write down in date column 25 and in particular यानी कि payment column में write करेंगे by stop rent account और cash की column में write करेंगे 500 rupees. The next transaction is January 28. Bank debited rupees 30 bank commission and rupees 20 for SMS charges. It means कि बैंक ने हमें हमारी पासबुक में डेबिट किया हुआ 30 रुपीज फॉर बैंक कमीशन और चार्जेस थे 20 रुपीज SMS charges है. Okay, so these both are is our expense. So we recorded at the credit side. There is write down in date column 28. First we recorded bank commission. So there is write down in payment column by bank commission account or 30 rupees write down in bank column. Then again we write down there is bank SMS charges. Okay, so there is write down in date column again 28 date and in particular यानी कि पेमेंट कॉलम में राइट करेंगे बाय बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट और बैंक की कॉलम में राइट करेंगे 20 रुपीज. The last transaction is January 29. Rupees 5,000 deposited in the bank account. Again these transactions affected bank and cash. It means cash balance is decreased and bank balance is increased. So here cash goes out. So this it goes out cash we recorded at the credit side and bank balance increased. So second effect we recorded that debit side of the cash book. Okay, so first we recorded on credit side. There is write down in date column 29 by bank account और LFP कॉलम में राइट करना ना बोले C बिकॉज ऑफ इसी से हम पहचान सकते हैं कि ये कॉन्ट्रा ट्रांजेक्शन है. ओके, एंड इन कैश कॉलम राइट डाउन देयर 5,000 rupees. Okay, then debit side 3 write down 29 date, and in receipts column there is write down to cash account. In LF column write down C, और बैंक की कॉलम में हम अमाउंट में राइट करेंगे 5,000 rupees. Now, here our all transaction is finished. Then we close the cash book. Okay. So first we close the discount column. We know that debit side it is our allowance discount and credit side it is our received discount. So both sides we write only addition, their discount column. The debit side column's addition is 250 rupees and credit side discount column is 180 rupees. Okay, it means these columns we say that 250 rupees it is our allowance discount and 180 rupees it is our received discount. Okay, then we close the cash column. Here cash column is debit side is more than the credit side. So this debit side balance we write down both sides, debit sides and credit side. There is the cash balance is debit side balance is 15,100 rupees. So this balance recorded at the credit side also 15,100 rupees. Then this 15,100 rupees में से हम 4,100 rupees, 500 rupees और 5,000 rupees कट करते हैं तो डिफरेंस मिलता है, वो है हमारा कैश बैलेंस. वो है 5,500 rupees and there is recorded, there is write down there in date column में 31st date राइट करेंगे. why? Because of January has 31st day. Okay, so there is write down 31st date and particular की column में राइट करेंगे by balance CF. CF means कैरी फॉरवर्ड, हम आगे ले जाएंगे ये बैलेंस. जनवरी है तो फरवरी में ये बैलेंस ले जाएंगे. ओके, देन close the bank column. Okay, here bank column also credit balance because of debit side is more than the credit side. Okay, so here debit side balance is 19,300 rupees. This balance is recorded at the both sides. Then difference is come 325 rupees. It is our bank balance and this bank balance transfer from the next month. So here in पर्पल कलर में राइट किया हुआ है डेबिट साइड से 2016 February 1st टू बैलेंस PF. PF मीन ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड, जो जनवरी का है वो हमने फरवरी में आगे लाए हैं. ओके, एंड कैश की कॉलम में 5,500 रुपीज और बैंक की कॉलम में 325 रुपीज. यहाँ पे हमारा ये सम फिनिश हुआ. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.